Hey everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management, and we're here at Goddard State Memorial Park, and we're with EMILIO DiSpirito of the DiSpirito team and Samuel Alba of the Alba Group, both of HomeSmart professionals. And what they're going to do is tell us right now where they think 2020 is headed for Rhode Island real estate. And keep in mind, these guys produce 10% of $1 billion in sales. So their opinion is highly respected and it matters greatly. So Sam, take it away. What do you think is happening in Rhode Island, and where are we headed in quarters 3 and 4?
Well, we're going to continue to see the same market that we've been seeing throughout this whole year. It's a strong real estate market. It's been consistent even through COVID, and it's going to be a steady increase as we've been seeing since the year has started. I don't expect anything to change. If anything, just a continued steady increase in pace. We might get a little burst, maybe sometime in the fall, going into the winter, but we'll find out. But it is going to be a strong market. A lot of good programs out there for buyers. Shortage of inventory, so it's keeping the prices solid. I don't see this market taking any kind of turnaround, but continue to go up.
Yeah, man. I agree. I second a lot of that. I got a couple of different perspectives on things, but number one, Sam's absolutely right. I think that the market's going to increase. It's going to absolutely increase in price-wise, I believe. I believe the spring market hit kind of late. We're actually going through the spring market right now. And what I do see is, instead of that lull that you normally get in July and August, they're not traveling right now, so they're going to stay here. So if I was a seller, I'd be putting my house on the market now, before school starts, before election season starts. We have to also think about the election year. There's a lot of people during election years, baby boomers probably most likely, that are going to be holding back. They're the ones already holding back the inventory right now in Rhode Island as it is. So I think we're actually going to see fewer houses on the market, and that's going to appreciate prices and cause even more bid wars. And I think mortgage rates are going to stay low, and the housing market is going to freaking rock.
And Sam, where do you think you get the best bang for your buck in Rhode Island?
Best bang for your buck? Depending on where you're going, you have some towns that are really doing good. For example, North Kingstown is a great market today. I truly enjoy helping my clients, my buyers, purchase a home there with their family. Great school system. There's been a ton of money being invested in the infrastructure of the schools in North Kingstown. I'm going to go with North Kingstown.
So if I was a buyer looking for a house, say a 3 to 4 bed, 2-bath house under $400,000 in an awesome community where I could, have a lovely variety of places to shop, people to see, things to do, parks to enjoy, golf courses, tennis courts, the whole nine, I would actually have to say Warwick, Rhode Island. Warwick, Rhode Island, out of southern New England, is the absolute best community, in my opinion. We've got this behind us. This is called Goddard Park. There's a beach here. There's tremendous amounts of bike trails, horseback riding. I mean, you feel like you're almost in a whole different world. It's absolutely unbelievable, and I strongly suggest this area. We're also right off the highway, centrally located, which people absolutely love. There's planes, there's trains, there's buses, automobiles. Everything you need is right here in Warwick, Rhode Island.